Hey Oliver, we're gonna play hide your duck. Ready? Oh, you're too interested in the camera. Maybe we should play hide the camera. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Where's the camera, Oliver? There it is! Good job! Ready? Let's play again. Where's the camera? There it is! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Where's the camera? There it is! Ready? Here we go. Where's the camera? There it is! We're using a plain white shirt. Where's the camera? There it is! You got it! Good job, Oliver! Good job! Normally he does play with Ducky, but I think when the camera's around he's too excited. Hey Oliver, one more time. Where's the camera? There it is! Oh, you got it! You got the camera! Yay! You're good at hide and seek.